Hello, hello, hello. We are currently in New Jersey at Martin and Eva's place, and we're here for the weekend. We're gonna have a good little time. This is our first time here. I'm here with George, actually. He's in the back there.
Jersey.
And of course, we have to have the main man himself. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Here he is, Richie. So we are here right now. We are also expecting Scott and Bethy from Florida. They're actually on their flight right now, currently making their way here. Tomorrow, we're actually gonna be going to New York, so that'll be its own separate video. And I think it's actually gonna come out before this, so watch that somewhere up here. George and I have a little bit of free time, and I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna explore the complex area here and I don't know, see what we can get up to. Also, what we're gonna be doing is we have a barbecue planned as well. And check out what's on the menu. Oi, oi, oi. Once Scott and Bethy come, we're gonna go ahead and do that. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and see what we can do. All right, George, let's go.
Bounce.
Richie, we're leaving you, bruh. Bye, Richie. Bye. All right, we are currently at the actual golf simulator in the resort, or whatever you want to call it. Now, I've never actually played at a golf simulator before, so I think we're gonna get a round of 9 going, and then we'll see how it plays out. George, are you ready?
No.
Okay, let's set it up and see what we can get done here.
Yup.
Woo! 34 yards.
Let's go, yo.
Not bad, not bad. All right, here we go. I'm up next.
Yep, that's it. Holy shit. He's a natural.
Woo! 164. Let's go. I will talk to you guys at the end and we'll see who won. Oh, bro, this song started playing like it's over for you.
All on the wrist. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Can he lock in for the win? For the win. Oh, for the win. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. What is it, tie game?
Yeah.
Wait, it's tie game right now? All holes have been played? Oh no, don't tell me. Wait!
Yeah!
Oh,
By 1, baby.
oh my God. Literally, he won by 1. Oh my God. I know where I messed up too. No, look, this is where I messed up. It was all in the second hole. Oh my God. Hey. Good work, good work, good work. Congratulations, congratulations. Years.
Hello.
Uh-oh, look who's here. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Bethy,
Hello.
Bethy. Hello, hello, hello.
Dude, what's up? Long time.
Actually, are you on the video? I don't even know if you're on the video or not. Eva, hi, hi.
Cheers.
Hold on, boys. We just got in here.
Cheers, cheers.
Wait, is this for Scott's mom again or no? Hey, Kim, if you're watching this, happy birthday. Hey,
Happy birthday, Mom.
cheers, boys. Cheers, cheers. For Kim.
Here's the Kim. Yeah, Kim.
Hey, to Kim. Bro, what's going on? We got Scott here in the
That might have to
building.
be a little clip drop in every vlog.
That's it, it's for
hey,
Kim.
like, subscribe. Where is it, on the bottom right?
Where?
Smash that bottom right, right there.
This guy's actually. Wait, this guy's actually. Oh.
Hold on.
Wait a minute. This guy's coming straight off the plane, but he's actually a little bit too famous for me now. This guy, 2 weeks ago. Tell him what you were doing 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, just flying over to Europe, wedding in the hills.
Yeah.
What can I say? Over to south of France.
No, you know what's crazy? Last weekend or 2 weekends ago, when we're in the car with Martin, this guy calls us and he's like, "Hey, guess who I'm with?" He's in a booth in like south of France with.
Super random. Part of the he told me not to say that though.
Oh,
so
shit.
Don't tell him.
He partied with blank. This guy's too famous for me, I swear.
Super.
We have these dry aging 2 days in the fridge.
Like the little.
Oh, so these ain't no regular degulars,
Oh
huh?
no, this is fucking Peter who? Peter Luger who? Fucking this is Salt Bay who?
You gotta salt bay that.
Yeah, with my slimy ass hand.
Bro, Richie, stop licking my feet, bro.
Oh yeah, Uncle Scotty's here.
Oh.
That's right.
Hold on now. Let him cook.
Oh yeah.
Oh. From the top ropes.
Oh, wrestling vlog.
No, we're done with that era, bro. Please. Oh. Cheers. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Yeah, chill. No, we're not doing like last weekend. Ooh. Oh my god, look at the thickness on these boys.
But I can't believe you have the
they're fucking thick.
Yeah.
We eating good tonight, boys. Yeehaw! Goddamn.
Give me a drizzle live right here. Oh my god.
Yo, get me in one of these like Red Lobster videos.
everybody to hear back from us.
The drizzler.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at this one.
Somebody right now that's very important.
Oh, that's a big body.
That's for Scooter.
Yeah? Alright. Let's go eat.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, not like this, not like this.
People told me he's gonna have to clean up bear diarrhea.
He loves it, I told you.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Look at him go.
This is Richie's first time eating peanut butter.
Yeah, because his dad's an asshole. He doesn't
Stick his dick in the
Okay, it's been a long time. It hasn't been that long.
Wait, what? Nah, I'm cutting this video.
Richie.
What are you doing, Richie? Oh. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually end up calling it a night here. We have an early day tomorrow because we're actually gonna be going to New York. So we're gonna have a huge day planned. That's actually gonna be a separate video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually cut this video right now and then we'll pick it up on Sunday and then we'll see what we get up to. But yeah, we're going to New York tomorrow. Make sure to watch that. That will come out before that. Oh, whoa, Richie. Okay, good night. Alright, good morning everybody. It is currently Sunday and we are in Princeton, New Jersey. I'm here with the whole gang. We're actually walking around right now and it's a beautiful little town here actually. It's really reminding me of Niagara-on-the-Lake, but that's kind of like my benchmark that I always compare a lot of things to. Today, we're probably just gonna wrap up the weekend here. We're probably gonna get some breakfast and then after that, we're just gonna explore the city a little bit and then we're gonna go our separate ways. I believe Bethy and Scott and Martin Eva are going to Philadelphia and we are gonna just drive straight back to Canada. But yeah, it was an amazing weekend. Yesterday was an amazing day. We actually ended up exploring New York and as you saw, it got a little bit wild. Everything was great. I think what we want to do as well, I think we're gonna maybe go and explore the university campus as well. And yeah, after that, like I said, we're just gonna wrap everything up. But okay, let me go and meet up with everybody and get something to eat because I'm actually starving. What's going on, gang? Can I have a seat?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. French fries?
Ooh, that looks bomb.
Thank you.
Club sandwich split?
Yep.
Everyone's food's here. Oh my god. All right, dig in. All right, Martin, how you feeling? How's your day? How was your weekend actually?
Weekend was fantastic. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Had a good time.
Did you have a favorite part of the weekend?
Yeah, probably ripping beers in Manhattan.
That is a one of one, you know.
Yeah.
You were the only guy doing that in all of New York City.
Yeah. So that was crazy, but it's an amazing weekend. Got the boys, everyone together. It was super fun.
Yeah, we gotta run it back. Eva, how was your weekend?
My weekend was amazing. My favorite part was spending time with Richie.
Aww. What was your favorite part this weekend, Scott?
I would say getting to see Eva Martin's new life would be definitely the highlight. Regular everyday stuff, seeing Evo, getting to see Richie.
That was my least favorite part, getting to see you.
What the hell? All right, I'm cutting this video. Bethy, what was your favorite part of the weekend?
Going to New York for the day.
Yeah,
and hanging out with Eva and Martin, because I haven't seen them in a year.
That was good. Man, everyone loves you guys. Everyone's favorite part was hanging out with you guys.
What can I say? No one's favorite part was hanging out with you.
Okay. What was your favorite part of the weekend?
Yeah, lick the lens.
Do not lick the lens. Richie. Oh, hell no. What? Get his ass out of the lens, yo. He literally turned around with the ass in the lens. Oh my god, where is he going? Oh, this might be your hardest angle ever, Martin. This is your album cover right here.
Thanks for waiting, yo.
George,
Yes.
congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Tell us what happened.
Just bought a watch, yo.
Oh, let's see it.
The Speedmaster, you know?
Oh my god. Holy. Ah, c'est juste zdrav. There you go.
But,
Alright, George. What was your favorite part of the weekend?
my favorite part was just being with the family, you know?
Aw.
We got Richie, we got Martin, we got Eva, we got Beth, we got Scott, we got Evo, not Evo, baby.
Wow.
Family's everything, man. Don't forget it. Family's everything.
All right, and with that being said, we're pretty much gonna wrap it up here. As always, I appreciate you guys for tagging along. I hope you guys had a good weekend as well with these 2 little episodes that we released. We do have a lot of stuff coming up now, so obviously make sure to subscribe, like, comment, you know, all that YouTube stuff. But I appreciate you guys. I thank you guys. I love you guys. And the whole group that was with me here this weekend, I love them. They already know that. But yeah, that's it for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.